Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. Method 1. Clean the screen to get rid of dirt. Take a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol and clean your iPhone display thoroughly. Ensure there is no dust, dirt, or debris before you use your iPhone. It's also important to make sure that dry your hands too before attempting to use the iPhone once again. Method 2. Check accessibility settings on your iPhone. Accessibility settings may have an impact on the touch of your iPhone. You may have unintentionally activated touch accommodation, assistive touch, back tap, or even a function that recognizes taps on your phone's back. To adjust these settings, open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Select Touch. Now, toggle off on these four options as per your liking: assistive touch, touch accommodations, back tap, or haptic touch. Method 3. Restart your iPhone. You may always try restarting your smartphone if you have problems with the iPhone screen glitch or any incident. As rebooting always updates your devices, it also fixes any ghost screen issues that may have been caused by applications. Method 4. Update to the latest iOS and apps in App Store. The iOS version on your iPhone could have some bugs, leading to phantom touch issues. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS to fix any potential bugs. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and select General. Tap on Software Update. If a new update is available for your iPhone, it'll appear on that screen. Tap Download and Install, and wait for the installation to complete. Besides, iPhone's Ghost Touch issue might be caused by out-of-date applications. It would be best if you upgraded the out-of-date apps on the Apple Store to correct them. You may have a few applications waiting for updates if automatic updates are not enabled. Method 5. Don't use the iPhone while charging and disconnect any external accessory connected to the iPhone. If your wall outlet or charging adapter has some sort of voltage fluctuations, it can trigger ghost touches and cause your iPhone screen to glitch. So, it's best to let your iPhone charge when it's resting and use it once you've disconnected it from the charger. Besides, if you have connected any external accessory to your iPhone via the lighting port, then unplug it and check if the ghost touch issue is solved. Method 6. Remove or replace your iPhone screen protector in any case you're using. A lot of times, a poor quality screen protector may interfere with the proper functioning of the touchscreen on the iPhone. Remove any screen protector you're using and check if the ghost touch persists. Besides, try removing the case from your iPhone to see if it helps. Method 7. Turn off System Haptics. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Sound and Haptics. Scroll down and find the System Haptics option. Turn it off. Reboot the device. Method 8. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings on the next screen. Enter the lock screen passcode if prompted. Confirm to reset all settings on your iPhone. Method 9. Factory reset your iPhone. This is the last resort if your iPhone continues to have ghost touch errors. You can attempt factory resetting your iPhone to fix the glitch screen issue. I advise backing up your iPhone before continuing because this step will erase the device's data. At last, if none of the aforementioned measures work for you, there's always Apple support. You might be able to get your screen changed for free, depending on your iPhone model and warranty. To obtain assistance, you can get in touch with Apple support directly or go to a nearby Apple store or authorized Apple service provider.